Hello friends, I'm Dr. Rohit Batra from Dermaworld Skin and Hair Clinics, and as usual we have come here with another short video on something that is very important nowadays, something that you all have been listening to from your friends, family, that people, those who have got infected with COVID are now suffering from fungus. Otherwise, it was coming that people are suffering from black fungus, but a recent study from Bihar, especially Patna, has come up that people have been suffering from white fungus also. So, and there is a lot of hype in the media about black fungus, white fungus, etc. So, we have made videos before about black fungus. So, I won't be going in detail about black fungus. If you want, you can just scroll down our channel and just have a look at what exactly black fungus is and what are the symptoms that patients suffer from black fungus. Just quickly a recap of those is that patients who have suffered from COVID in last 6 weeks, if they develop pain in eyes, nose, if there is bloody discharge or stuffiness, or there is headache, they might be suffering from black fungus. So it is always a prudent idea to go to your physician, get yourself examined. At times they do some MRI also to make sure that the fungus has not gone to any of the various organs of the body. Now this was black fungus. That was more or less limited to lungs as well as the upper body, and it was traveling from say nose to eye, etc., into brain. The other thing that has come up in the news nowadays is white fungus, and some people are saying that it is even more harmful or more severe than black fungus. So with black fungus, it was mucormycosis, that was the fungus. It is from the spores that is there in the environment, and it has been postulated that those who have diabetes, immunosuppressed condition, those who were taking steroids got this infection because it was there in environment. Anyhow, there is another theory that suggests that it is because of the oxygen cylinders that was used very rampantly, especially the not medical grade but the industrial grade. They were contaminated, or the ventilators and other things. People used in oxygenators the normal water instead of the distilled water. So that is also a theory which is doing rounds nowadays. But when it comes to white fungus is something that is very common, has been very common earlier also, that is Candida. So black fungus for mucormycosis and white fungus is Candida. Now you have to see that candidal infection have been known to occur in those who have been suffering from diabetes and other immunocompromised condition, those who have been on steroid before also. It can infect your skin, your oral cavity, your genitals, and rarely it can be a systemic infection also, in which it might cause death also, though rarely. Now Candida, when it comes on skin surfaces, just like it can affect the nails, it can affect the genitals. In females it will cause whitish discharge, that is vulvovaginitis. In males it might cause candidal balanitis or balanoposthitis, in which there is cuts, redness, ulceration on the male private part. When it comes to oral cavity, it might cause coating of tongue or whitish discoloration in the oral cavity. So these are something, the areas that can be affected, because most of the patients have been taking steroids at times without consulting doctors also. That's a major thing that might lead to such infections, because left, right and center people have tried to do self-medication. Yes, because my brother or someone in the family took steroids, Medrol, this dose for these many days, and I am suffering from corona, so let's take that. Whenever if a patient is suffering from corona COVID infection, it is always basic thing that you should consult a physician, if not in person, at least through teleconsultation, because there is no need to give steroid to each and every patient. Most of the patients will get fine without steroid also. Those who are diabetic, those who have other comorbid conditions, they need to be very vigilant while taking steroids, because we have seen in the past also that rampant use of steroid has taken a toll on our population, not only about oral steroid, but when we talk about topical steroid, people use it left, right and center whenever there is any itching, any irritation. They use it on face, they use it in genitals for fungal infections, resulting in thinning of skin, spreading of the infection. So all these infections are opportunistic infections. That is, when they find an opportunity, when the body's immunity is low, whenever you feel that you are suffering from any irritation, etc., itching, even on your face, body, or any private part also, don't self-medicate. Definitely visit your dermatologist even when it comes to applying a cream, because usage of steroids, and be it oral or topical, can cause many other infections in the long run. Did like our video, do subscribe to our channel Dermaworld Skin and Hair Clinics, and we'll be here sharing more informative videos on skin health and aesthetics from time to time. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.